So firstly, why did I choose history as an optional subject? So this is one thing which I heard a lot while I was choosing my optional, that history is not a very well scoring thing. Why are you taking it? Sociology say would be better. This that. But I think the reason I chose it, firstly, was my interest and familiarity with the topic. And I think people sometimes disregard this in terms of कि अच्छा एंथ्रो छोटा है ले लेते हैं, फिलोसफी छोटा है ले लेते हैं, उसमें टॉपर की ये आए थे, तो अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई गॉट बाई चांस हिस्ट्री देन मे बी नेक्स्ट ईयर लाइक अच्छा हिस्ट्री द टॉपर टू सो आई ऑल्सो टेक इट. So that's not how it works. People have topped with whatever optional they've taken. They've topped with maths, they've topped with sociology, they've topped with like any other subject. So I think first and foremost is interest, because it will involve a lot of hours. And believe me, like before the mains, the history syllabus was quite vast. So it was very, very difficult for me to balance both general studies and history. But it was my interest in the subject, and I wouldn't like mind studying for long hours this subject even before while I was making notes, which made me go on with it. Okay, so first is interest. Secondly is also I think personally that helped me, but that may not be the case. My graduation was also in history, so I had a certain familiarity. I had certain source material with me, so access to material is also important whenever you take any optional. So apart from the books that were suggested to me in terms of Upinder Singh or say Satish Chandra or Normalo, I had my notes from college which also helped me. So second is material, and third is guidance. And Tariq sir was with me in Jamia RC as well, and his support from me both during the interview as well as during the entire preparation. He was the first person I went to regarding history preparation. And so I think guidance all of you guys do have if you choose to take history optional at Vajiram. So this was the reason why I chose history optional.